Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examination is underway on 6th of December 2020. Your political science is being conducted by board, and in these days you have to put extra efforts. You have to do extra hard work to crack these examinations with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, there is clear cut concession of 40%, and you need to attempt only 60% marks, and whatever your gain would be out of 60%, that would be proportionately raised to 100. Your students don't chase 100% questionnaire, but only attempt 60, and whatever your gain would be, that would be proportionately raised to 100. Dear students, after finishing your exams, you must learn the uncovered 40% syllabus so that you will be able to sit in the competitive examinations after passing your class 12th exams. Dear students, today we are dealing with how European Union is posing threat to the American hegemony. Dear students, the European Union finally came into being in 1993 when Maastricht Treaty came into being. It traced its origin from the European Economic and Steel Community, and nowadays there are approximately 27 states that are the members of the European Union, and these 20 states all are the European states, and two states, Britain left, and French is there, or France is there, who is the permanent member of United States, this Security Council. Dear students, the European Union is no doubt putting its economic, political influence in the world. It is GDP is 12 trillion, slightly larger than the Americans. Dear students, it has the now the euro as the currency, and this euro is posing threat to the American dollar, which is the now the international currency is posing threat to the US dollars. Dear students, the it has created this European Union has created a single market, and its laws are applied to all member states. Thus, it is turning a big economic unit, and its influence has reached not only to the Europe but to the countries of Asia and Africa. So you have to keep in the mind that its economic influence is reaching to the remote corners of the world. But dear students, so the economic threat or economic stability that the European Union has gained is posing threat really to the American hegemony. Dear students, it is turning a very good bloc, and has its influence in the World Trade Organization as a very good economic bloc, competing China and Americans. But dear students, you have to keep in the mind, I am repeating the things, the European Union, one of the greatest regional organization, came finally into being in 1993 when Maastricht Treaty came into the being, and it traced its origin from the European steel and coal community. This European Union is the now has membership about 27 states, and recently Britain left, But this regional aspiration, or we can say the organization, is now turning an economic giant in the Europe. It is currency, that is the euro now, is turning or posing threat to the American dollars, which is the international currency, and it is GDP is 12 trillion in 2005, that is slightly larger than the USA. So it has created a single market, and its laws are applied to all European countries which are its members. So its independence has reached to the rest of the world other than the European countries which are its members, that it has reached to Asian countries as well as the African countries. So thus the European Union, a regional corporation, is posing threat to the American hegemony in the world. No doubt the economically it is its economic stability is growing to the skies, that would be in near future greater economy than the United States, because it is GDP is slight larger than the, which is 12 trillion larger than the American in 2005. And politically, mm, France is there, which is the permanent member of United States, the permanent member of Security Council of United Nations organization. So we can say, when we are concluding the fact that European Union, which came into being in 1993, when Maastricht came into effect in 1993, is really turning a great economic bloc, or becoming a very good economic bloc, and is posing threat to the American hegemony politically as well as economically. Economically, it is very good bloc, and its currency is posing threat to the American dollar. So we can say that, concluding the fact that Americans are being threatened by its hegemony, is being threatened by the European Union. A nice, we can say, the regional organization. Dear students, this is the brief description how the European Union is causing threat to the American hegemony. Hope you have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me. Better is to see these things on your available political science reference book, so that you can grasp the concept well. In these days, you have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work to crack these exams, nice percentage of marks. And after finishing your exams, do read the rest, or do learn the rest 40% syllabus which you have never touched, so that you would be able to sit in the competitive exams after passing your class 12 exams. From 12th, passing from class 12th, the competitive exam starts, and you have to get the seats in the professional fields. That is why you need to concentrate on the 40% syllabus that is uncovered, and so that you can be a very good, your future would be flourishing and promises. Thanks, be well asset.